Tadjahau, Wan An. Yes, I'm still in the Philippines right now. Yes, it's still March. Philippines is under state of calamity because of the COVID-19. Yeah, COVID-19 is a global effect. Yes, naka-home quarantine po ako dito sa aking bansa. I'll show you how to cook chicken tinola for the healthy ulam. So let's fight COVID-19. So kahit naka-home quarantine tayo, prepare tayo ng mga healthy na pagkain. Huwag tayong laging nasa dilata at naka-noodles. So sometimes, meron naman tayo nabibili ng mga fresh dyan sa ating mga sari-sari store. Sa Talikopa, may oras ng ating palengke. So bumili tayo ng mga fresh. Yes, may oras ang ating pamimili. Ayan, ngayon tuturuan ko kayo para magluto how to cook chicken tinola with malunggay. Actually, malunggay here in the Philippines is so many. So any corner, every corner in the Philippines, in the street have malunggay. So this is malunggay leaves. So tropical country, Pilipinas, kaya maraming malunggay. So it's the healthy leaves actually. Malunggay have so many health benefits. So yeah, yes, let's fight the coronavirus through cooking healthy food. So today I will show you how to cook chicken tinola. And today for our ingredients of chicken tinola, yes, the chicken. The main ingredients, the chicken, garlic, onions, red onions, ginger. This is the ginger here in the Philippines, a bit small. Tomatoes, yes, two pieces tomatoes. Star of our chicken tinola is the malunggay leaves. Yeah, malunggay leaves. This is a very healthy leaves here in the Philippines. Yes, every corner you can find this healthy malunggay leaves. So you can just ask your neighbor to get some of this malunggay. So free, pwede manghingi pag nandito sa Pilipinas. Sa ibang bansa, bawal manghingi. Hindi naman bawal lang, kaya lang manghingi. So dito sa Pilipinas, pag kapitbahay mo may malunggay, ayan, pwede kang manghingi. Ayan. So, ayan, kanina kumuha ako doon dahil wala yung may-ari ng bahay. Hindi naman. Nangingi ako sa kapitbahay. Ayan. And also, dito kasi sa Pilipinas, pag nandito ako sa Pilipinas, kailangan malasa yung niluluto. So, ayan, dadagyan ko ng magic sarap. So, wala na tayo sa Chinese country, kaya, ayan, may mga ganito na sa, kasi sa Taiwan, lang yan, bawang lang, tsaka asin. So, here in the Philippines, complete ingredients. Complete tong mga pang budbud. Ayan. So, ito gagamit tayo ng magic sarap para sa ating pampalasa. And of course, gagamit tayo ng oil and salt. So, ayan. Let's start. That's our chicken tinola, healthy and yummy. Let's fight COVID-19. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Ying Gloria. Bye bye. Sai Chen.